Previously. And now back to your feature presentation.
Love my feet. Let me taste my coffee sweet on Sunday. Let me play my radio loud so all the neighbors close their windows.
Pete! Dang it. What now?
Oh, come on, Tom! All I want is to play with you!
What? Well, I see, look at the time. I mean, I almost have to, I don't know, get to the store pretty soon because I need to, I don't know, get stuff with Saya. You know, if you understand that kind of stuff. Because there's some like other things that I could possibly do, which has to equal to something that has to take. Pete, what in Sergeant Pepper fever is this? I never seen you do that before.
Oops! Looks like I dropped my sword. I guess you can use that to play with me!
But still, that doesn't change anything. I need you out.
Oh, Tom, you're always stubborn to have fun with.
Yeah. Whatever you say, Pete. Jeez.
Enough of that guy.
Oh, wait. Just realized something. I haven't done a video in a while. Maybe, just maybe, I can be able to make another video with the N64. At least, that's the idea I'm getting right now.
Meow, meow, meow.
Oh, Saya! Come over here, girl.
Whee!
Oh, Saya, don't worry. I'll always have you around. At least I can have all my faith on her. When it comes to making videos, of course. Actually, let's go sit in the other couch. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Tom Stanson's Open Radio. And today, you know, we're gonna be getting something out of the review box that I have over there. And I'm also here with my pet Saya, as always. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Yep. So, today what we're going to be reviewing is none other than Pirate Trails for the N64. So as you can imagine, I tried to look into its history of this particular game, but I found little to nothing about this game at all. So I decided, well, why not just review it either way? Because, you know, I just want to put it out there and put this game into the big spotlight that it deserves, or the attention it deserves. So let's go put that game right away. Out with the old, and finally in with the, oh, what the, Saya? Oh, come on, Saya, what's up?
Meow, 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 meow.
What? What do you mean I can't put it in there?
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, come on. I mean, it's not gonna be like last time where, you know, I decided to put something in and something bad happens.
Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, fine. Maybe we can do, oh wait, look over there. Oh, what the? It's sparking! It's sparking! Whoa!
Ah, fresh air again. Sort of. Where am I? Who are you two?
I'm Tomm, and this is Saya.
I am well known far and wide as the most courageous and intimidating pirate across the 7 seas. And this is my pet parrot, Crocker Jack.
Rock, nice to meet you.
What? Scurvy pirate? What are you talking about?
Well, in case you forgot my name is Captain Gerald Blackstash. Well, you can call me Blackstash for short.
Captain's Blackstash? That kind of sounds funny.
Funny? Am I some sort of joke to you?
Oh, wait a second. How about we just Wait a minute, this thing kind of sounding very familiar now, does it? How about we just settle this with a cup of tea?
I challenge you to a duel.
Well, at least it wasn't my Beatles cup right here.
Enough of this crap. Let's begin the duel.
Wait a minute, but I don't even have a sword!
Got you now!
The sword!
What the? Where did you get that sword?
From my, nosy neighbor Pete.
Huh, interesting.
Yeah. You're getting Black Stash for being the most intimidating pirate at the Seven Seas. You're not very scary at all. In fact, you're as scary as a kitty cat.
Your attitude is the pits.
A cherry, peach, or apricots?
More like a smelly armpit.
Ha, you're one to talk. You smell like a wet dog.
Quit it with the dog jokes.
So tell me, did your old captain like to give you nice doggy biscuits when he told you to play fetch?
Don't you make fun of me.
Why not? It's so easy.
You're a loser from a lame town. I fought a lot of enemies throughout my life, and out of all of them, you have to be the most lamest one of them all.
Oh yeah, well you're the loser here. And just so you know, I have fought someone before, and he was a soldier from who appears to be British.
Wait, you mean that soldier named Benson?
Well yeah, I mean, he never told me his name. In fact, not at all.
Well, now you know.
Alright, enough fooling around. Let's get serious. I sense that you're scared. Well, not at all. Huh.
Cracker Jack!
Oh. Hello.
That was a low blow! How dare you try to stab my parry?
Well, I was just trying to get weight off of you.
Ooh, look over there!
Where?
Well, say goodbye to your kids!
Wait. If you knew Vincent the soldier, and he was responsible for your appearance in this game, then that means you're the victim here.
Rock, that guy was a pain in the pine hole.
Meow meow.
Yeah, and?
Then all this fighting, it has no point because you're the victim here, and I'm just an idiot.
Well, at least you agree that you're an idiot. And that scurvy soldier, he had put me in that game like almost 20 years ago. And all I ever wanted to do was sail across the seven seas.
Well, Stash, now I have another reason to get back at Benson there. Since you told me about this, you're free to go.
Wait, really?
Well, of course, and I humbly apologize for this fight. I hope you can recover your ship, and I hope I can recover my jewels down here. But you're free to go.
Oh, thank you so much, mustache boy. Hope we see each other again someday. I'll see you later,
Tomm Stanson.
Tomm Stanson.
Yes! Freedom!
Well, Saya, I'm never touching that game again. You know, I never had a chance to play the game, but I think this is all good for now. Well then, that's about it for this video, folks. I hope to see you all later in the next episode of Tomm Stanson's Open Radio. Well, sort of, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.